Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today we're going to make another great one-pot meal. I like one-pot meals because that makes it easy, you know. And what we're going to use is this penne pasta. We'll use these two pieces of nice looking ham right here. And this Classico roasted garlic Alfredo. That's going to be really good. I love that stuff. Let me tell you something about this jar right here. It might be worth it just to go get you a jar of this just so you have this jar. Because you see it's got the measurements on here, and this is down in the glass. And it's got you 4 ounces and 8 ounces. So you know, half a cup and a cup. So that might come in handy. And it says on the other side, Atlas Mason. So anyway, I just thought you might be interested, and that's just a little side thing. I thought you might be interested in that jar because Kay said, don't throw that jar away, we're going to use that jar. So I said, okay. So let's get started with it. This lid here that I got from, this particular lid came with one of my Gotham steel fry pans. And so it's a 10-inch across, and so it fits perfect on top of that, Ninja FOODi pot there. Okay, now I put 12 cups of water down in the Ninja FOODi here, and now I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn on the power. I'm going over here and I'm going to hit sear and saute button. Well, you don't hit the button anymore with the new Deluxe. You turn the knob till it gets down to sear and saute, and it's on high, and we'll leave it on high, and we'll hit the start button. Okay, if you don't hit that start button, you're going to sit here all day long and it's not going to do a thing. You're going to wonder what's wrong. Well, you got to hit the start button to make it come on, and that'll start heating up. Now I want this to come to a boil before I put my pasta in there. Okay, now I'm going to start cubing up this ham here and getting it ready to go in the pasta when it gets ready. Okay, I guess I could have showed you how I'm doing this. I put these two pieces of ham on top of each other, and I cut them down through here like this, and then I'm starting to cube them like this, and we'll just make little squares out of them, rectangles or whatever shape they come out to be. And you just do it like this, you know, making sure your fingers are not under this knife, because this knife will do your fingers just like it's doing this good old ham right here. It'll slice them right in too. There you go, and that's all there is to doing that. Now that part's ready to go. Now if you like a little more ham, you can put a little more ham in it. But if you like a little less, put a little less in it. Now in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge and make sure it stays nice and cold till it's time to use it over here in the pasta. Okay, now a few minutes ago I made a little error. I was supposed to put 4 quarts in of water according to the boss, and I only put 3 quarts in. So we'll add another quart of water here. So now we've got 4 quarts of water in there. Okay, now everybody's happy. Let me put the top back on now. We'll get it to boil and we'll go again. Unless the boss walks around the corner and says, hey, you forgot to do so and so. I say, yes dear. Okay, now the water's starting to simmer a little bit, so I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of good old olive oil. And I've been told it keeps it from sticking together. About a teaspoon of salt here. Alright. Now we'll give it a little stir. Get it all mixed up and incorporated there. Okay, now that water is boiling pretty good now. It's rolling right along, so now we're going to dump this Borelli's penny pasta. Okay, and we'll give it a little stir. Okay, now we'll put the top back on. We'll let it go to work here. I'm going to let it boil like this for about 11 minutes, 10 or 11 minutes, periodically stirring it every once in a while. Now, if you're wondering about it, I didn't tell you, this is a Barilla penny pasta, and it's a 1 pound box. See right here, a 1 pound box. So, just in case you need to know what's in there, which you might. Okay, now like I said, I'm periodically stirring this. Oh yeah, I'm going to take one out in a minute, just try it. I've had it going for about 6 minutes now. We'll let it go for about another 4, maybe 5. Okay, now it's been going for a little over 10 minutes, been going 11 minutes. I'm going to, starting to feel good. I'm going to take one piece out here and try it. I can get a piece out without hurting myself. It don't want to let me have just one piece. It wants to let me have 2 or 3. I'll take 2 out and try it over here in a second. Oh yeah, that feels just right there. And that's not bad. Just a little bit of crunch though. Might let it go 2 more minutes. Now if you like it to have that little bit of crunch to it, go ahead and take it up now, but I won't mind to cook just 2 more minutes. I want it to be just a little bit softer. I'm going to turn my Ninja FOODi Deluxe here off. And I'm going to take this lid off of it. Now this is really the part where Kay usually does this, because usually I ain't got sense enough to do it, but she's not here right now. Well, I'll take this pot out here and take it over here and pour it into this colander. So let me move the camera and we'll see how that goes. Okay, now we'll try to set it right down here like this and pour it right on over in there. Now that looks pretty good right there, just the way it is. So now I'm going to take this alcoholic bowl right here. Well, it looks good. I'm going to dump it in there like that. Open the fridge and get my delicious ham out here. Put it down in there. And now, open this jar of Classico roasted garlic Alfredo here. And let me get a spoon. Put it down in here. Like I said now, you probably want to save one of these jars if you ever get you one of these, because it's got your measurements over here, and that's in the glass, so it's not going to wash off or anything. Now, let me get me a stirring stick. So I can get this all stirred up here. I hope this is good, because I got guests coming in from North Carolina this afternoon, and this is what they're going to be eating for about 3 days. So I'm going to tell you right now, it looks delicious. But I want you to look at this penne pasta here. That's cooked to perfection. You know, so none of it's stuck together. Make sure all of it gets some of the sauce on it. Now, the next thing to do is get me a little dish here. Try some. I'll try a little, just a little mouthful or two here. Need a little salt and pepper. Now I know you're saying you can do that on the stove, and you can do that on the stove, and you're going to heat up your whole house, especially in the summertime. You're going to heat up your whole house. You're going to use 3 times the electricity. I wish I actually had a way to measure the electricity that it uses, you know, because I'm sure you use a lot more on your stove than you do on this Ninja FOODi Deluxe here. So it just makes better sense. If you can use it in that pot, do it in that pot. Now this is really delicious right here. I'll bet you know this goes to waste. And a little dab of salt and pepper I put on there really made a difference. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, because I sure did enjoy making it for you, and this sure is good to eat. So I hope you'll come back and see us real soon. I hope you watch more of our videos, and if you ain't, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And the holidays, Christmas is coming on, so if you get a chance, order something from Amazon. Go to my links and order something. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. And goodbye. Can't believe how good that is.